ever wanted to hang artwork or even photos of family, but you were too afraid that you were going to mess it up? Don't fret. My name is Marie, and we're going to figure it out. Okay, so for today, all you need is a leveler, a stud finder, and obviously hammer and nails. And also you need a pencil. So let's go ahead and find the stud with the stud finder. And so we've got a little bit of marking up here. As you can see, we had a photo up here prior, but we're going to use this area to just kind of like go through with the stud finder and find the stud. So basically you put it on the wall and you just keep going until it goes to, there you go, it lights up pretty good. So I'm going to go ahead and mark right here. So I'm actually going to keep this pretty close to where that is. I figured this was probably the stud area anyways. So I went ahead and marked it. So now you're going to need your hammer and your nail. So we're going to go ahead and hammer that in. So what I like to do is I like to hammer this in on an angle because it gives it a little bit more support for the string to hang on. Now we're going to take our photo and we're going to go ahead and hang it. Take your leveler and you want to make sure that the bubble stays in the center where the two lines are, and that way you know that your frame is leveled. So you just need to shift it just a little bit. And now we're level. All right, you guys, thanks so much. Hope you have a great rest of your day and week. And don't forget to follow us, like us, wherever you see us, because we just want to get you more information. Bye.